Hello, my name is David. I've been a registered nurse for many years. Spent a lot of time in the emergency room, ICU, and the floor. Was also a flight nurse for a while. And I just wanted to let everybody know about the RenovaRP Centesis pump system. I've been using it now for 3 years, and it is a tremendous advancement in that procedure and process. We really like the portability of it here. We can use it in our IR department, and then we can very easily take the whole system to the emergency room or the ICU or the floor, where all of our providers, once they see the system, they're very impressed with it. The other great thing about it is patient comfort. With the accelerator dial on there, you can flow the speed flow on that to whatever is comfortable for the patient. And I've heard numerous of our regular Centesis patients just rave about how much more comfortable it is. Yeah, I guess bottom line, it's one of the best improvements that I've seen in my 28 years of being a nurse. And it's a great product. It's a great system. Highly recommend it to everyone.